With the start of my own self-improvement journey, I found a new passion. Reading. And these 3 books were a huge inspiration for my own path. Let's start with the classic, Atomic Habits by James Clear. This book outlines a practical framework for building better habits. It describes a 4-step process to breaking bad habits, building good habits, and making lasting changes in your own life. The 4 steps include: make it obvious, make it attractive, make it easy, and make it satisfying. The term atomic is used to emphasize the fact that these habits are really small and simple, but their effect will build up over time. Atomic Habits is an incredible book and one of the main reasons why I got hooked into self-improvement in the first place. It is very practical, so you can directly implement it into your own life. There are so many great examples, but also stories to keep you engaged and to make it a really easy read. Fun fact, this is the only product I have ever seen in German Amazon which has more than 100,000 reviews. Even the most trending items have mostly below 50k. This book is simply amazing. You will not regret it. The first book discusses our practice. With the next book, we go into our heads. It's called Unf Yourself, written by Gary John Bishop. This book encourages readers to take control of their lives and to improve their mindset. You will be surprised how your own mind can be your biggest enemy in your life. It teaches you the power of your thoughts, recognizing and managing your negative emotions, and how to take action to promote positive changes in your life. As the name of this book already shows, it is very direct. But to be honest, it was also very refreshing to read. Did not accept my excuses and really motivated me actually. It's especially great when you are struggling with discipline and have difficulties to leave your comfort zone. The book itself is divided into 7 sections. Each focuses on a completely different aspect of personal growth. I already mentioned 2 of these sections in this video, so you can already get a general idea about the content. Ultimately, it encourages readers to live an authentic life, free from self-doubt, fear, and regret. Both of these previous mentioned books are well-structured self-improvement books, which give you direct instructions for your own life. That's why I chose a completely different approach for the 3rd book. I found the book through a forum post where the following question was asked: if you could only read 1 book in your entire life, what would it be? As I browsed the list, 1 book caught my eye. The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. I honestly don't know why it caught my eye and piqued my interest so much, but I purchased it, and the book sent me literally on a journey. The Alchemist is a novel that tells the story of Santiago, a young shepherd from Spain who embarks on a journey to find a so-called personal legend. Along the way, he meets a variety of people, including an alchemist, who teach them about the importance to following one's dreams and listening to one's heart. The shepherd also learns that when he follows his dreams, he will find true success and happiness. In contrast to the other books, all teaching content is woven into the story. This gives the book a much more personal touch. It is a very, very different read, as you are drawn into a continuous story. Everyone interprets the core elements and teaching a little bit differently. So, if you prefer reading stories instead of a well-structured book, but at the same time you want to immerse yourself into the world of self-improvement, then The Alchemist is a book I can highly recommend to you. Atomic Habits, Unf Yourself, and The Alchemist. 3 books, all about self-improvement, but all completely different. They provide invaluable lessons to improve your own life. And similar as they have helped me, I want to help others with my own experiences as well. That's why here you can find my own personal key lessons, which I learned in my first self-improvement year.